Ah!
Hang on tight! One carrier will meet you outside!
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Sorry about that! Those benches can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet! Not this week, anyway!
Hey, you lot! You haven't seen a dragon, have you?
Right, come on! We'll go to the Quidditch pitch!
Oh!
We've been here too.
The forest isn't safe! Hold on tight! Hold on to X-Men!
Ah!
Hurry on to the Quidditch pitch! And watch out for the Wumpy Willow!
It's not bad, Ma.
Look out!
Where are you been? Stick! Follow me! Showing off the unmugging admirers, Dementors! This way! Hang on! Leave them alone! Get away from them! Expecto Patronum! Stay close and follow me! It's caving in! Watch out! Let's get out! Quick! We made it! To the Great Hall! Thanks, everybody. You were brilliant.
You've shown great bravery. Feel free to return to Hogwarts any time. Now, tuck your elbows in. Oh, and don't forget to retrieve your stowed belongings, lest you want them confiscated at the bank's dispute.